Today is a special day. Smash sub Clayton Bridges stickers are here for me to litter everywhere and tag in public areas, and also on my toolbox. On my toolbox is a natural place for the first one. Just gonna spray a little glass cleaner on there. Gently clean some of that dirt off. It only really got one bubble and it actually did really good. Bam! Alright, right here we have some beautiful PVC elbows. Alright, elbows. Okay, we got two 90 degrees and these 90 degree but 3-part tri-tip steak. Sounds yummy, whatever. Straight from Home Depot, about $3 a piece, okay. And then I got 5, count them, 5 big long PVC rods. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a bracket / stand for my green screen. A little DIY for you today. Almost said DUI. No. And it's gonna be a piece of cake. Please. Alright, now I'm going to attempt to do some math. If I survive, we will come up with a plan on how to do this. Now, I will say, math is very dangerous. So you need to take the proper safety precautions. Oh wait, so I'm going to need 2 bars straight across. God dang, hold on. Okay, this is the basic idea. It's gonna look something like that, right? This is going to be 8. So 2 are gonna get cut to 8. This actually will probably add some overall length, which is probably good to keep in mind. It doesn't really matter. It's kind of a good thing. It sort of helps me because it'll be a little bigger than I'm gonna cut it. So it's good to have a little extra growing room. Okay, now, so I'm just gonna go 2 feet on the bottom, and I'm going to do 6 foot here. So let's make sure we have enough. So these 2 will be the 8s. From the extra 2 feet, because these are 10 feet, I only need 8, so the extra 2 foot pieces will be the bottom. So I need 2 to do 6. You want to come out? So, I am borrowing this Sawzall from, or the hacksaw, Milwaukee hacksaw from my dad, but I recently bought the extended battery pack. Both these tools will be in the description below. It makes life a breeze, maybe. Let's see. Now here's how to measure like an American. Like an American. Whoa! Hell yeah. Can't have dirty pipe. What a game this is. Okay, so far it's surprisingly gigantic. I'm not tall enough to do it. Seems way too tall. Okay, I'm gonna cut this last piece I have into quarters, and then I'm probably gonna have to drop the height of it, probably at least a full foot. I'm gonna have to see. I don't know, I just don't think my ceiling's that high. I don't know. Oh yeah, because I built it 8 feet high, and I was supposed to build it 6. Oh. I broke it! That is going to be it for outside here. I'm gonna move it into the basement and start wrapping my screen around it. We have Brum. Revisions have been made. We're going way smaller, basically. Just because where I was measuring it was from back here, and, you know, 4 feet closer to the camera helps a lot. So just to save room, I'm going to cut down those as well as these long ones. Okay, these smaller ones. Go on. All right, it's all looking good. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I do think it could have been a little wider, I guess. The thing is, I do crop out like each side of my webcam because it's super wide. And this is the webcam I'm using, by the way. The Logitech. It's just a 1080p. I think it's a 920 something rather. Alright, so this is my homemade lighting thing. So I went to Ace Hardware and I found these perfect little, they're just these clamps. They're just this like clamp thing. I did that. It's all like sprinkler stuff, like sprinkler hose and piping. So we have this extra guard, which I just wrapped around in a circle to hold the lighting stuff. Yes, diffusion fabric, which I bought on Amazon. Just clamped it on here. You can do different levels of diffusion. This makes it adjustable. And then just a little clamp, which I drilled a hole through and got a little screw. And then this whole stand, I'll link them in the description, but it's basically a tripod for like lights. And it has your standard whatever thread pitch this is for tripods and stuff. And then all you do is you buy a little bulb socket, a bulb, and boom. Again, I used to have like the green screen here, but now as you can see, I can actually walk behind this and access my closet. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope it was fun watching me make this little thing. You can probably do it yourself. It was very easy. I know I use a Sawzall. You can get the same effect, just not as fast, or with a hacksaw. You choose. You can do it with a butter knife if you want. I will have a link to the diffusion cloth, some of the tools I used, my equipment, this green screen cloth that I used, which is actually, I think, in all my videos anyway. I paid actually $25 for the PVC, and then the actual green screen itself, it was about $30. Thank you so much. This is gonna allow me to stream and make some fun content. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Leave a like, comment, or subscribe. Comment if you want to say anything. Also, let me know if you have interest in these stickers. They're not necessarily officially for sale. I know they're just kind of repping me. They're just for me to slap on stuff as kind of advertising, but if you want to rock one, I would love that. I really would. Again, they're not quite available. I would just like to know if you are interested. Don't forget to smash sub. See ya.